In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Phantom wallet onto your desktop. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring you have a seamless experience. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the official Phantom website. It's crucial to ensure you're visiting the correct website to keep your data secure, so double-check the URL before proceeding. Once you're on the site, look for the download option and select Chrome, if that's your preferred browser for adding extensions. With Chrome selected, you'll then hit the Add to Chrome button. This will prompt a pop-up asking you to confirm adding the extension. Click on Add to Extensions to proceed. This step effectively installs the Phantom Wallet extension to your browser, allowing easy access whenever you need to interact with it. After it's added, you can locate your new Phantom Wallet by clicking on the extensions icon in the top right corner of your browser. This icon looks like a small puzzle piece. Upon clicking it, you'll see a list of all your active extensions. Select the Phantom Wallet from this list to open it. At this point, the Phantom Wallet interface will present you with two options: creating a new wallet or accessing an existing one. Since we're assuming you already have an account, you'll click on I already have a wallet. From here, Phantom will offer you several ways to connect your existing wallet: via email, by importing a recovery phrase, by entering a private key, or connecting a hardware wallet. It's vital to have access to either your recovery phrase or your private key, since these are what allow you to securely open your wallet on this new device. For this demonstration, we'll be using the private key to import the wallet, so go ahead and select Import Private Key. Next, you need to enter a name for your wallet. This will help you easily identify it, particularly if you use multiple wallets. Once you've chosen a name, paste the private key into the designated field. Be precise here to avoid any errors. After ensuring everything is correct, click the Import button. And there you have it. Your wallet is now successfully imported onto your desktop. This setup makes managing your cryptocurrencies more convenient and provides you with easy access directly from your browser. Remember that keeping your private key and recovery phrase secure is crucial, as they are the keys to your wallet. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your Phantom wallet up and running on your desktop.